Today we are breaking the record for Subway Surfers. We are going for 6 mil. Let's go for it. We have been working for almost a year, collect all this stuff, so we could do this video today and try to break the record. We have collected a lot of keys, so we can go as long as possible. A lot of hoverboards. And we have practiced and practiced. As you can see, it will start to get very fast and it might start to lag out. But stay with us because it's going to be a really good video.
Darn it.
I am the one that gets the stuff and does videos, and then the one that plays it is one of my bestest friend, Benj. Well, let's see if we can do it.
Darn it, I missed the jetpack.
Comment below if you want us to try to beat another record, and if we can, then I'll post that. And if you guys want some more Subway Surfers, comment below. We will come back when we hit 1 mil. Okay guys, we're back. We are almost there. And here in just a few minutes we're going to hit 1 mil. And then we're going to go for the 2 mil out of the 5. But we are so close to getting that 1 mil that we'll do another video on this if we can get at least 10 likes.
Yes, and at least 10 subscribers.
And 2 subscribers. We will go for 7 mil. But for today we're only going for 6. Okay guys, we just hit 1 mil. So, we'll catch you back as soon as we're going to hit 2. Hit and pause. Okay guys, where it says high score, that was our last one. And so we tried to beat again. Since we used to be first, and someone came up and beat us. Well, now we're going to go and beat them. So we're taking our first place back. And we're almost at 2 mil. And so far, the one that's doing this right now, Binge, I bet you his fingers are probably killing him. And if we can get 5 subscribers and 20 likes, we will do Benji. I will do a Q&A on Benji, and you guys can ask him some questions and he can answer them. But we're just about to hit 2 mil, and if you guys want to fast forward it just a little bit, you can see us hit the 2 mil. Oh my gosh. Whew. He's almost lost it, but he barely got back in. Come on, 15 more. We've got the 2 mil. Oh no. There's no way for him to get that one. If you guys, here's how many years, this is how long I've saved up without without using any of my deals. I have done 2 years just to keep on buying and buying and buying stuff slowly. And we are still trying to get, come on guys, we just hit 2 mil. Come on, we just hit 2 mil. Guys, remember, 2 subscribers, 10 likes, and we'll go for 7 mil. 5 subscribers and 20 likes, I'll do a Q&A, or we'll do a vlog over Benji, and you guys can ask him some questions. So we're gonna go for 3.
Alright guys, this is the player talking now. Caden went to the other room. But basically, this has been going on for a while now. I'm getting tired, but you gotta keep going to break this record. Like my friend said, if you guys like and subscribe, we would appreciate that very much. And if you want us to do some more games, like break some records on more games, or do something else, let us know down below after the video, and we'll most likely do it. And if we say no to it, it's most likely because the game is not compatible with our device that we're using. So I just hit 250 mil, so going for that 600 mark. Still got a long ways to go, but if you could share this with your friends and family, and just hit the like button below after the video.
Is it almost a 3 mil? Are you still buying? Oh my gosh.
Hi guys, I am back. Caden is off doing something else. But as of right now, we are about to hit 3 million. And I mean, it wouldn't be as big as our last one, but our last one was only like 3,068,000. We're trying to double that today. And like we said before, just if you want to see any other videos, just ask us, and then 20 likes, 10 subscribers, and we will he will do ask me, you guys can ask me any question and I will answer them truthfully. And you guys are just thank you for whoever watches this and subscribes and likes. We just started this channel not too long ago, so just if you could share about this to all your friends. We just hit 3 million, so only got 3 million more to go. I'll be back with you when we are about to hit 4 million. And just drop a like below. Thank you. And I am sorry guys, but I ran out of keys to use. We did not meet our goal today, but we will keep trying. If you want to see this happen, for sure, we will keep trying. But to do that, we need you guys to like and subscribe our videos, or video as of right now. Just don't ever give up. We will keep trying if we get 2 subscribers and 10 likes. Bye.